Hey there, Lightdash users. I'm working with the Lightdash CLI today. I'm going to show you how to install it and a couple things we can do right from our terminal. If I'm installing Lightdash from scratch, I can do this simple npm command to get it installed. By the way, if you're working on Mac, you can install via Homebrew with brew install Lightdash. Now that I've installed the CLI, I need to authenticate. I can do that with Lightdash login and my project domain. I got booted to the UI, I'm going to authorize this app, and then we'll go back to the terminal. Now that we've authenticated, we can work with the CLI. There's a couple different commands we can send here. I want to show off one, Lightdash preview, but I also want to talk about the others. Lightdash deploy is something that you can use to deploy any of your changes right to production. We also have Lightdash generate. If you're just starting with a project, a DBT project, and you don't have any YAMLs built out, you can generate your YAML right from the CLI, and your metrics and dimensions will be available to you to deploy into your project. We also have Lightdash lint. That's going to validate your YAML syntax, and we have Lightdash install skills. Lightdash skills is an awesome way to work with the CLI as well as your semantic layer to build out charts, dashboards, and even YAML code in your project. And last but not least, we have Lightdash preview. This is going to spin up a preview environment locally, meaning that it's going to grab my production charts and dashboards and lay that on top of my development environment here, my development YAML. That way I can test my changes that I made directly in this preview environment without changing anything in production. Let's imagine I made some changes to my project here. Let's say in the accounts YAML, I added a new YAML file. And I want to see what these changes look like in Lightdash against the production charts and dashboards that we have. I can do Lightdash preview. And when I send this off, it's going to spin up a preview environment for us. All right, now that preview is spun up, all of my YAML files are valid and successfully deployed into the preview. And I can follow this developer preview link here. Now we're looking at a preview environment in Lightdash. You can see that up here. And again, you won't make any changes to production, just playing around here. As I said, I made some changes to my activities model. I can come in here and check it out, see what that looks like, and give it a go. That's a short overview of the Lightdash CLI and all of its capabilities.